Hey guys, what's up? So this is a little like how-to video, or just gonna be showing you a new product that I've never seen before. I was trying to get the trim off the side of my truck and the adhesive wouldn't come off. So I tried a bunch of different stuff, like you guys might recognize. GooGone, right? Yeah, super great. Works every time. Nope, doesn't work. A razor blade, right? Metal razor blade. You go through, you scrape it all off. Works great? Yeah, doesn't work. Plastic scraper with the GooGone. Yep, doesn't work. Even a heat gun with the GooGone, with the plastic scraper. Nope, doesn't work. That was my brother's heat gun. I probably shouldn't have done that, but sorry, Brady. I know you're probably watching this, so whoops. Anyways, so what I got is, it's an adhesive remover disc. It's like made out of an eraser or like some sort of rubber. I saw it online there. It's only 10 bucks. They have one for like 40. Don't get that one. 10 bucks. And it works great. I have a whole nother video that's going to be showing me removing the trim off my truck, and it shows me using it. I'm going to show you a little clip of what it looks like of me using it. It is safe on paint and everything. I have an extra card that I have that it doesn't matter, so I went through and I put this as hard as I could against it, and I sat there and ran it for probably a good 30 seconds, and it didn't even do anything to the paint. So I'm pretty confident that it's safe for the paint. Obviously I can't say 100%. I've done half of the side of my truck and it's working great. So long story short, if your GooGone's not working like it wasn't for me, this is what you need to get. I had a friend that says GooGone works perfect for him every single time. I couldn't get it to work. This is really fast though too. So yeah, it's just called a adhesive remover or an adhesive remover disc. I don't remember what it's called. I'll pop a picture up like right here or over the whole thing to show you guys what it is, but it's just gonna be like a little how-to to remove adhesive, because all I could find was videos on GooGone. So hope that helps. If you want to see the series we're working on the Yukon, where I'm just going through and cleaning it up and removing trim, and we're going to be redoing the front end and all that, you can go to the channel, check that out. We're also going to be working on our 1976 companion travel trailer. We're remodeling that. Doing videos about once a week. It's going to depend on how money goes and everything like that, because I got to fix my Yukon. It's having a little bit of an issue running. I think my timing's off. So I got to get that fixed. And then we're going to do the fun stuff, the good stuff. But I don't want to spend the money till I can get that fixed. So stay tuned for that. And I'll show you a little demonstration with this thing. Okay, let me show you what it looks like after. So this is the one we haven't done yet. That's where the one was that we had done. This is all oxidization from when I took them off. So I'm hoping that'll either buff out, or I'm gonna have to wet sand that and clear coat it to get it back to normal. So yeah.